Welcome to Format, the platform designed for creatives. Format offers you an easy way to get into online selling with the Format Store feature. Using Format's e-commerce engine, Format members can sell a wide array of products, digital downloads, and services. The store tool allows you the flexibility of self-fulfillment of products, meaning that you can sell existing inventory. This is a great option for creatives who want to sell unique products like pottery, paintings, or their own photographic prints. The Format Store also allows you to sell services and digital downloads directly from your site. The store operates in connection to your business PayPal account, which allows you to seamlessly collect payments from around the globe. Within the store product listings, you can select physical products for items like prints and paintings, or digital downloads, or a service. With the physical products, you can add images and descriptions, as well as to create a drop-down menu for product variables. This allows you to specify the unique quantity, details, and price of each product option. You will also have the option to add shipping to your products. Here, you can set the shipping costs for national, international, or select countries or areas that you ship to regularly. Once you've added your products, use store categories to organize your product offerings into series or product types. Unlike other selling services, there are no fees or commissions associated with the Format Store. This allows you to keep 100% of the profits from your online sales. If you ever need guidance, our customer experience team is here to answer your questions about online sales. You can also go to Format's library of help articles by going to format.com/help. Thank you for choosing Format.